We going to Wendy's. We're going to Wendy's for dinner. Thank you, no, make that look real quick.
Just nuggets.
Just nuggets? She wants some chicken nuggets. Shunner's to school. And there's a sidewalk. She'll come walking up. She get out of school and walk up here. Get in the car with us. We'll pick her up. We sitting here eating chicken nuggets from Wendy's. I could have got pounders, look at there. But we got chicken nuggets. We at a different school picking up a different girl. She going in to get her sister. I'm gonna check her out. We're gonna go to Baker before the ball game. Be back in a little while. We're going to a ball game tonight. Baby doll gonna take pictures again. Put them on her new iPad she got. She's excited about that new iPad, ain't you, baby?
Yeah.